Franklin County is a unique county. We're on the cusp of the city of St. Louis, but we're still rural. You assume that everybody's going to know about beef cattle, and everybody's going to know about soybeans, and everybody's going to know about dairy cattle, but they really don't. These kind of events where we can have people come up and really introduce them to the farm is the best thing we do.
We need to tell the good story, the good news, tell about what we're doing here on the farm. We need to take every opportunity we can to tell anybody, and teachers are the perfect example because they influence so many people, so many kids through the day.
I think most people, the general public, thinks, you know, that the cows and the pigs and whatever are running around and just doing their own thing, and people just catch them and then use them to the dinner plate. Most people don't even realize that. I think they think that it just comes from the grocery store. I would absolutely recommend other teachers or general public to do this tour. I feel like I learned a lot and it was really worth coming to today.
One of the things I enjoyed the most was just seeing the families and how a lot of the farms have been in their families for over 100 years, and that they just pass it down from each generation, and just seeing that closeness that they have, and that they all have that appreciation for the business that their family has run. I did enjoy the dairy farm and learning about how they use the technology in order to know how many times the cow has been in that day to be milked, and whether or not there was something bad in the milk that they need to filter out or set aside or whatever. Just knowing that the computers are running our dairy farms now as well is really neat. As teachers, we are trying to prepare kids for the future, and they need to know where their food is coming from, and to show them the local businesses that can provide that, and to be able to then support our local farmers.
It's so enlightening to go on this tour and learn about what is involved in getting the product from the field to the table. There's so much more involved in it than people realize, and it gives me a little more information to share with my students about what is involved in getting their school lunches, for example, and the food on their table at home. So I think it's a really good program, and I think it's an excellent program for educators to be able to participate in.